Hey, Brandon with Fordable Security Locksmith and Alarm again. We're here programming a key for Ford Transit Connect. Let's go ahead and get to it. So Ford, let's go to Transit. Connect, it's a 2014 bladed. Gonna connect to the immobilizer. Gonna switch the ignition on. Okay. Just adding a key to this one. Key to be programmed, yes. Now we gotta wait 3 minutes for it to be programmed. I'll go ahead and fast forward through this. Says here keys 5 programmed. No feedback. Now let's go ahead and turn it off. Disconnect from the vehicle. And that's how you program a 2014 Ford Connect Transit. Next video we'll show you how to program the remote controls. See you in the next video.